The Johnnie Walker Black Label is one of the best-selling Scotch whiskies in the world. Now this one is aged for a minimum of 12 years and is full of dark fruit, sweet vanilla and signature smokiness. In terms of the price, I would say it is slightly expensive at the MRP of 2980 Indian rupees. But the whiskey was launched more than a century ago in the year 1909. This is a 750 ml bottle, but there are cheaper Scotch whiskies out there, so it's up to you. If you're drinking at home alone, there are better options at this price. But if you're throwing a party, inviting guests, then in that case, the brand really indeed makes sense and you should go ahead with the Black Label.